How to change WhatsApp profile picture. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Open WhatsApp and make sure that you sign in. Select three dots at top right corner of your screen and tap on settings option. Tap on your profile picture at top left corner of your screen. To change your profile picture, tap the camera icon. Now you need to choose from options. If you want to remove the photo, tap on the trash button. You can choose take a new picture, upload from your gallery or use an avatar. So currently I will select gallery. Now you can easily select any photo or picture from your gallery and customize the picture as required. And after that, tap on the done button at the bottom right corner of your screen. And with that, your profile photo will be updated. So that's it. Your profile picture has already been updated. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.